Okay, very good afternoon here on the 6th of March 2019. It's Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master of the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference, Trades Open Day. Very quick video update here from myself in the live trading room. We've just hit our target on the Euro US dollar short, taking the money bar strategy out of the drawdown that it was currently in. You can see we've banked £1,753 here on that particular trade opportunity. It is out the market. We are done with that one. We're still running a trade short on the Liftoff 3.0, which I'll give you an update on in just a short while. We're also still running a position long on the dollar against the Swiss franc. Let's take a quick look at that one. There it is on the screen. You can see that that is still going strong. We have a target of the previous swing high just here, and we're looking to take on that one £2,565. Now, what we've done here, that I'm talking about the upside, but if we talk about the downside, we have capped the downside risk. If this moves against us at this time, our maximum loss is going to be a positive £205. So a positive £205 is what we are going to be taking here on the dollar Swiss franc if it goes against us. That's the worst case scenario. So we are locked in on a profit, and we are looking at the moment as though we're heading for that previous swing high. Let's see what happens over the coming day. It's still early on in the day. Anything could still happen. Let's take a quick look at our Liftoff 3.0. Okay, and there it is. You can see we are still running the market short on the Liftoff 3.0. We're up just over 1%. We're just over 0.5% at this time on the Euro US dollar Liftoff strategy short. Again, we're going to be trailing our stop into today to take us to break even, or even better than break even. So at that point, all the live trading room strategies have either banked profit or are at better than break even or break even, and we can't make a loss anymore in this trade opportunities. What we're now looking for is we're looking for these markets to continue progressing lower for the Euro US dollar. We're looking for the Liftoff Euro US dollar to continue progressing lower. For the dollar Swiss franc, we are of course looking for it to continue progressing higher. So for euro dollar, certainly we're looking for more downside. We need a break of this key level here. This is a very important swing low. It's the lowest point in 4 months. If it breaks this, there'll be a very good chance that we'll get to both targets on Smart Money Elite and on the Liftoff 3.0. Looking quickly at the dollar Swiss franc. No liftoff opportunity here, but that is continuing to progress higher on money bars. So that's pretty much it from me for this video update. I'll leave you with the journal update. So I have just updated the trade journal, and that is here. You can see money bars. We are out of the Euro US dollar. We are out for a 1.63% profit, ending this drawdown streak and taking us into a loss on the money bars for the year so far of minus 2.36%. We are still down for the year so far, but we're continuing to progress with these opportunities which are in floating profit, either better than break even or break even at this time. So that's pretty much it from me here on the live trading room update. The elite update, of course, you know we are still running the euro dollar position short on Smart Money as well. For some of us, we have 3 positions short euro dollar, and that it looks as though it's progressing well. Here we have the 5th trending bar. We may even add another position short on this euro dollar this evening as well. Let's wait and see. Watch out for that one just there. What are we looking at this time? We are looking at a potential, as well as I say, to add another position short on this euro dollar. In the elite room this evening, this may set up as a gold bars elite opportunity as well. We may take another position short on this euro dollar as well. So let's keep a lookout for that. Make sure you stay consistent. That's the key to this. In the meantime, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, keep trading like a master. Bye for now.